This is Griffin trying to feed himself for the first time. Alright, Griff. Can you do it? Alright, go ahead. Good job. Is it yummy? Good boy. Yay. What? What happened? Keep trying. You're doing so well, Griff. Go ahead, keep trying. You can do it. Yay! Alright. He's under the weather, so that's why he looks a little frazzled, but he did a good job, right, Griff? Whoops, bless you. Whoops, bless you.